Now let us look at the word used. The uses of used in the sentences. That's what we're going to look at. Used, okay? The word used. That's what we're going to look at now. Let us look at the word used. Used is the past tense. Used is the past tense. Past tense. Used is the past tense of a defective verb. Tense of a defective verb which has no present tense. Which has no present tense. Okay. The first sentence I have here is, I used to smoke cigarettes, now I don't. So, the first sentence I have here is, I used to smoke cigarettes. I used to smoke cigarettes. I used to smoke cigarettes. Now I don't. And the second sentence I have, Anne used to stand at the window for hours looking at the busy road. Anne used to stand. Anne used to stand at the window. At the window. Anne used to stand at the window for hours. For hours. Hours. Looking at the busy road. Looking at the busy road. Busy road. Then, used to can also be an adjective meaning accustomed. You get used to. Okay. Now, so the second one, used to. Used to. Okay. Can also be an adjective meaning accustomed. Meaning accustomed, used to. And the first sentence I have here is, I am used to working in a noisy room. I am, or I got used to. I am used to. I am used to working. I am used to working in a noisy room. Okay, accustomed. The second sentence I have here is, you will soon get used to the noise in the room. You will soon. You will soon. You will soon get used to. You will soon get used to. Used to the noise in the room. Noise in the room. Now, let's look at that. Used is the past tense. This used is the past tense of a defective verb which has no present tense. That's what we're looking at. I used to smoke cigarettes, now I don't. Anne used to stand at the window for hours looking at the busy road. In the second part, used to can also be an adjective meaning accustomed, getting used to, you're used to. Noise of children, neat room, or crowded place. So, accustomed, here it is used as an adjective. I am used to working in a noisy room. And the second one here, you will soon get used to the noise in the room. Accustomed, you will get accustomed. You are accustomed to the noisy room, but here second sentence, you will soon get used to. You will soon get accustomed to the noise in the room. So we have done 4 sentences. The use of used, and used to smoke, used to stand here, used to. I am used to working. You will soon get used to the noise in the room. That's 4 different ways of using used to in a sentence.